Hello, welcome to another Meme Monday. We are on Meme Monday number 46, and as you can tell, my voice has gone a little weird. I apologize for the Morgan Freeman sounding voice this week. I've been a little bit on the crook side for a whole week, and it hasn't been the most pleasant weeks, so I apologize for that. Now, can you guys hear me just fine? I hope you guys can hear me okay. Let me know anyway if you find any issues with the audio. So welcome back to another Meme Monday. I missed last week because I was really sick, and I'm still sick, but I think I'm good enough to pop out a Meme Monday for this week. So hopefully you guys had a great weekend. Welcome to another Meme Monday. We're streaming on YouTube as well as Telegram, the free Telegram channel. So don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed on YouTube, and if you want to jump onto the free Telegram group, that is also linked in the description. If you want to get free access or win free access to our premium channel, you'll need to jump onto the free Telegram group, which is linked in the description below. So make sure you jump on there, and at the end of the stream, we'll be picking some people to jump into the premium channel for free for 7 days. So keep an eye out on the free channel, Telegram channel, linked in the description below. So this week, been an absolute crazy week. Every week since January, it seems to have gotten crazier and crazier with not only meme tokens, but just the world in general has gone quite nuts the last few weeks. And I don't know about you guys, but my X stream is absolutely bonkers at the moment. There's a lot of vitriol, there's a lot of hatred, and I'm not talking about specifically crypto. Crypto is in the dumps at the moment, but that's probably because the world is in the dumps at the moment. Everyone's kind of having a hissy fit and fighting over each other, so it doesn't bode well for crypto. So the market is dumping and everything else is dumping. So that's just the way it is sometimes. You just gotta go with it. Just gotta roll with it. Yeah. Okay. So today we're going to do some quick updates for the calls, just to give you a quick update on how the calls channel is going, pump volume, copy trading tips, trading red flags, meme story time, meme of the week I should say. And for anyone who is new to the channel, I'll give you a quick intro to the Degen meme calls and what we're all about. So I'll be back in 1 second.
What is the Degen meme calls? Let's try and do this in 2 minutes. Go. Degen Meme Calls is a comprehensive platform designed for traders navigating the dynamic world of Solana-based meme tokens. Our mission is to equip both novice and seasoned traders with the tools, insights, and community support necessary to excel in meme token trading. There are currently 4 key aspects to our service: free Degen Meme Calls, premium Degen Meme Calls, the Degen Checker Bot, and the Degen Meme Calls Scraper Bot. The free Degen Meme Calls channel provides curated calls, token snipes, launches, and gamble plays to help newcomers familiarize themselves with meme token trading. You get access to select signals and calls, opportunities to participate in community discussions, and share trading experiences. A good place to frequent and decide if you want to take the next level to premium. Premium DNC Academy channel is tailored for advanced traders seeking enhanced features and exclusive content. A diverse range of trading signals and strategies, including pump fund migration signals, premium gambles, and smart money calls. Access to educational resources, video tutorials, and live streams to refine trading strategies and stay updated with market trends. Weekly trade competition airdrops. We've already given away 5 grand. The Degen Checker Bot is a specialized tool for traders interested in copy trading by identifying and analyzing successful and profitable wallets. Scan individual wallets or top 100 profitable wallets for specific tokens. Batch scanning capabilities and comprehensive wallet reports. Search our vault updated daily with many thousands of wallets. Premium has unlimited scans, and the free version you get 3 scans per day. The Degen Meme Calls Scraper Bot, an automation tool designed to enhance trading efficiency by scraping signals and executing trades across multiple platforms. Automation trading based on our own premium signals and calls, continuous updates and strategies to adapt to the evolving market conditions, compatibility with over 12 trading bots. How do you start with the Degen Meme Calls? Links for the Degen Meme Calls are in the description below to join the free channel to explore our offerings. Consider upgrading to the premium for full access to advanced tools and exclusive content. For a comprehensive understanding and to stay updated with the latest developments, visit our official website and consult our detailed guide right here and in the description. Guys, just a quick note, meme token trading carries inherent risks. We emphasize the importance of conducting thorough research and utilizing our tools to make informed decisions. Cheers.
All right, I hope that got you up to speed if you're new to the Degens Meme Calls channel. Fairly quick intro. Now, just to let you guys know also, I am on the road for the next few weeks, currently trying to find a new place of residence in this beautiful world of Indonesia. So you're going to be getting me from different locations over the next few weeks for the live streams, but it's going to be interesting. I'm going to buy maybe a beach villa, borrow some money against my Sol holdings, put a deposit down for a beach villa, I think. No, that wouldn't be very smart right now, the current position of Solana. So won't be doing that anytime soon, but still going to be looking for a new place of residence here in beautiful Indonesia. This part of the Indonesia anyway, on the different side of the islands. So what's the news? Wow, look at that market. That's crazy. Question is, was this Bitcoin in the top 108, 109,000? Was that the top, or is there another rally? Short term would say no. You know, the way things are going with the politics and the way things, but you never know. People say we're at the top. People say we're almost there. We've got another run left yet. So who knows what's going to happen? Just hold on, I guess. So why is the crypto market crashing today? Like every other day, a wave of sell-offs has gripped the crypto market, dragging prices lower as macroeconomic uncertainty spooked traders on March 10th. The downturn followed comments from US President Donald Trump in a March 8 Fox News interview, where he acknowledged that this economic policies could result in temporary economic pain. Yes, his dovish statements on budget cuts and trade tariffs raised concerns about increased market volatility, prompting investors to move away from risk assets like cryptocurrencies. So yeah, this is just basically the way things are happening at the moment. There's a lot of volatility with the market, the tariffs, the trade wars, Ukraine, uncertainty of World War III. It's just all happening at the same time. So altcoins also suffered significant losses, of course. Solana's are now in the 120s. We're all down and down and down. Just a matter of getting through this, I reckon, short-term pain. Major US tech stocks have also suffered significant losses over the past 5 days. Nvidia dropped 8%, Tesla 12.5%, and Meta 7%. S&P fell 3.3%. So, you know, it's just a reflection of the way the world is right now. So, it's not the best, is it? Not the best. Let me just jump in here for a second. Action of the way the world is right. Meme coins are likely dead for now, but they'll be back. CoinGecko, well, you know, we'll see. And enthusiasm for meme coins appears to have cooled after a series of bad launches and rug pulls, killing off investor interest, according to CoinGecko founder Bobby Ong. Metrics for token launchpad pump.fun immediately plummeted following the Libra rug. Yes, the graduated tokens is down. And it's a stark contrast from meme coin activity after the launch of US President Donald Trump's meme coin on January 18th, which probably marks the very, very top or the peak of the meme coins for this particular bull run anyway. But I would imagine they'll be pumping back up again soon. If the market comes back alive again, the volume will come back. However, volumes on Pump Fund have since plunged 63% from January to February, which is really expected, to be honest. If the launch of both these coins wasn't enough to end the meme coin mania, Libra was the final nail on the coffin, referring to Trump and Melania. And the meme coins where fair launches to reveal cabals and insiders profiting off almost everyone else. So yeah, Melania and Libra certainly didn't do us any favors, and a few other celebrities have also threatened to launch meme tokens as well. And you know, I think it's a good thing. It's a good thing to cool off, and we can all sort of make some choices. You know, you can continue to trade at a more conservative level, or you can take a break and continue to learn and get better for when the volume does come back. Because when the market takes off again, meme tokens is going to come back again. It's just a part of crypto now. So just the way DeFi is part of crypto, the way RWA is part of crypto, memes are a part of crypto. So when the volume comes back to crypto, then the volume will come back to meme tokens as well. So the meme tokens are here to stay for a long time. Just going to be having the same kind of swings, the volume swings as other sectors in crypto as well, as the market does. So in my opinion, yes, meme coins have definitely tapered off, but there's still plenty of money to be made in this sector, as you'll see. So Trump signed an executive order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve this week, which is fantastic. Funny comments coming from Trump. He seemed kind of pretty nonplussed about it, the way he was signing the executive order, and I don't know. Fantastic. Funny comments coming from Trump. He seemed kind of nonplussed about signing the executive order. So this was actually some huge news for Bitcoin, and along with that news, we had the summit, White House summit for crypto or digital assets, which was hosted by Trump and some OGs of the crypto and the big execs of the crypto scene at the moment. So this, along with the strategic reserve, some of the biggest bullish news you'll ever get in crypto, and it's been overshadowed by some of the ugliness around the politics this week or the last few weeks and the war in Ukraine. So everything has been overshadowed. I can imagine if we didn't have this kind of bullish news, then Bitcoin might be down a lot further than what it is right now. So potentially, I don't think people realize how big this is for the future of crypto, because Bitcoin now has the strategic reserve with the US as long as Trump is in power, I guess, and that will be a huge thing moving forward. So unfortunately overpowered by other news. The White House declares America will be the Bitcoin superpower of the world. The golden age for America has begun. So yes, again, I think absolutely bullish news for crypto. Something you could not have imagined 12 months ago. So this is fantastic for crypto long-term wise. So that is great. So let's jump in. We've got some premium airdrops to give away at the end of this stream. So the top P&L card getters for the last 2 weeks, 0.5 Sol for the first place, 0.25 for second, and some random airdrops. We'll give 2 by 0.25 for people participating in the premium channel for the live stream. And so 2 by 0.25. Thanks to Alpha Yup for donating as well to be part of that giveaway for this week. And we also have premium channel access at the for 7 days at the end of the stream as well for people on the free channel. So like I said, free Telegram channel below. Make sure you jump on that to get access to the premium channel, or win access to the premium channel at the end of the stream. So pump fund volume, let's jump over to some of these pump fund pages with the volume. So we have definitely seen a continued decline in the volume. Now it's, you know, it was to be expected. You know, I think January was very much the peak when it comes to meme tokens for this bull run. We may see it pump again, but it will never get to those levels that we saw when Trump launched his token in January. We actually, in my opinion, have been spoiled since the November election. So if we scroll down here, you can see since November to January, or the end of January, we were very, very spoiled. Obviously, Christmas died down. Everyone's taking a holiday. But very, very spoiled for volume for November through to January. And in my opinion, we're obviously coming back down to between September and October levels right now, which is still very, very good. I mean, we started our mission before Pump Fund even launched. So we were building our products and building our community before Pump Fund even launched. So it doesn't matter what volume is going through Pump Fund. In my opinion, when it comes to what we're doing, we will always be building products to help people be trading with meme tokens, because meme tokens are now, like I said, a permanent part of crypto, in my opinion. So it obviously it's going to change the way you trade depending on the volume that's going through, but there will always be opportunities when it comes to meme tokens. So yeah, we have, like in January, we had at least 10 plus tokens per day hitting multiple millions in market caps. Now we have maybe 1 or 2 tokens a day that are reaching 1 million in market cap. So it's excuse me, a big difference. So Pump Fund volume per week, and you can see at the end of January it started dropping down, 2.7 billion, 1.9, 1.2, and now we're getting down below 1 billion per week. Still, it's an insane amount of volume. Like October was 600 million, so we're getting just above the October levels at the moment. So if you sit around the 1 billion mark per week in volume, that's still a massive amount of volume and a massive amount of money to be made if you're focusing on meme tokens. Now, if you see the narratives here, meme tokens is still many multiples above everyone else when it comes to volume. So 278 million volume for meme tokens. The next best was L1s, 86 million, and L2s. And then we have DeFi, AI, oracles, money markets. So still, meme tokens is many multiples above everything else when it comes to the volume side of things. So it's still more money in the meme sector than anywhere else at the moment. Pump Fund volume per day, obviously getting down around those October, September levels. So even at those levels, if it stays consistent at those levels until the next pump, if the market pumps again, we may see above 1 billion, 1.5 billion in volume per week. That would be nice, but even now it's still enough to make ends meet and make some trading decisions on. So still plenty of life left in the market. So the graduated tokens has certainly dropped down a lot. If we look at the this is interesting as well. This particular page, which you should find linked in the description of this video, shows you the realized P&L for the wallets trading Pump Fund tokens. So realized P&L for wallets over 1 million, 22 wallets, and this is for the month. So this might be, obviously, March is still fairly early. 500 to 1 million, 67 wallets, 200 to 500k, 138 wallets, 100 to 120k. I mean, even if you get into that area of, 10 or 1K to 10K. 1K to 10K is fantastic, you know, for the month. 42,000 wallets have made between 1 and 10K. So if you were to get into the 10K region, 60,000 wallets. So there's plenty of money to be made, definitely. And you can see the launches per day. It's kind of fluctuating a lot. Daily revenue definitely going down. Graduated tokens is definitely sitting around the 200 mark at the moment, and around about 1%. Graduation rate is around about 1% or just below 1% at the moment. So there you have it. While volume is down around the October kind of area from volume from last year, there's still a hell of a lot of money coming through pump fund, and a lot of money to be made, whether you're manually trading or copy trading. Totally up to you how you plan to do your trading. Now, lately, most of the premium channel is discussing copy trading, because that's where most of the profits is being made from the group, from the premium channel in our channel. So I'm going to touch on a few tips that might help make copy trading in this kind of market a little bit easier for you. If you've decided you don't want to do manual trading, you want to take a break from manual trading, just do copy trading. It's a different kind of trading. You have to be fairly visual, but in a different way when it comes to copy trading. But here are some tips anyway. So this is basically what you'll get on a daily basis in the premium channel. Kind of tips like this. If you're very active with copy trading, there's a lot of great copy traders in our premium channel that can give you even more information and tips than what I'll give you. I'm just going to touch the base, just a tip of the iceberg for you guys for this particular video. So copy trading tips that broaden your search filters when searching the vault for wallets. So we have our Degens wallet checker. Obviously, you can search our vault. Our vault has many thousands of wallets in the vault and is updated daily, scanning 10,000 or more wallets per day. So when you search through the vault, the Degens wallet checker vault, there are many attributes you can search for: minimum sol balance, win rate percentage, profit and loss, ROI, etc. There's so many features you can utilize to sort of narrow down your search. Now, what I did find myself personally, and I also see other people saying it as well, that when they do their searches, they don't get enough wallets. Now, there's one thing you can do is to loosen your filters to get more wallets in your search results, so you can manually check those wallets to see if they're any good or not. So you don't want to narrow down your search too much, so you only get 3 or 4 wallets to look at. You want to try and broaden your search a little bit. So here's some examples to help you broaden your search. Now, you don't have to follow this. This is just my tips if you want to get more results with your wallets. So there's one thing you can do is your ROI. So your ROI percentage. A lot of people think, well, don't we really need ROI, 70, 80%, 100% or higher to get the results we're looking for? In some cases, yes, but in other cases, you don't really need that kind of percentage of ROI. So my minimum percentage of ROI is 25%. Now at 25%, there's still potential for gains depending on what kind of tokens they're trading and what kind of volumes or trades they're putting in. So broaden your search by lowering your ROI so you can get more wallets, and you can actually manually check whether they're doing the right trades that might suit you. Total number of trades. So we're looking at the total trades here in a wallet search. So my minimum total number of trades is 10. Now you don't want to really start copy trading a wallet that's only done 10 trades. It's not really enough data to get a good idea on whether a wallet is good or not. But you can still receive these wallets and get these search results and save these wallets for later in your Degen wallet checker. So you can save these wallets and then recheck them again in a day or two and see how they're still traveling when they've got more results in their trades. So you can still find good wallets with a minimum of 10 trades, but the best thing to do is just to keep an eye on those wallets until they start building up more than 20 or so trades. So save those wallets if they've only got 10 trades, but they still look pretty good. Save them for later, recheck them every day or every couple of days, and if they're still trading quite well after 20 or more trades, then it might be time to start testing those wallets. So minimum number of trades to try and broaden your results and hopefully get some other wallets for future testing is 10. So that's one option as well. Buys per token. Now, oops, sorry. Buys per token. Now, obviously you don't want to really copy trade wallets that are buying 5 times, 6 times, 7 times each time they buy a token. You don't really want to get too entrenched with wallets like that, but I always look at wallets that are actually buying in that range 5 times per token anyway, because with the way that the copy trading bots work these days, it's very, very easy for you to filter out those trades. So you might look at a wallet that is doing 5 or more trades per token, but their initial trade or their initial buy is making huge gains from the point where they're actually selling. So you can filter out the multiple buys and just buy one time, and then obviously take your own profit levels if you want to do that, or follow the sell levels as well. So it's totally up to you, but I would suggest, to get more results and to find potentially good wallets, open that up to more buys per token, because you can always filter those out. And you might find when you do your manual checks that the first buy that they do make compared to when they sell is actually a really good trade. All you need to do is forget about the other buys they make in between 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you can take your own profits, set your own levels, or you can follow their trades. So totally up to you. Follow their sells. Totally up to you how do you play that one as well. Now we have snipes percentage again. Now this was asked on the channel just yesterday about snipes. You don't really want to go down to like 5% or 0% for snipes. You don't really want to do that, because again, you can open up your snipes percentage a little bit, 15 to 20%, and you can still get a lot more wallets from your results. And then you can have a look at what particular tokens they're actually sniping. Are they sniping low cap tokens? And if they are, then you can obviously filter out those snipes. So again, even if a wallet is sniping 20% of the time, you can find ways to filter those out as well. Buys per day, another one as well. Buys per day, I've got a minimum of 2 buys per day and a maximum of 20 buys per day. Now, you don't really want to copy trade 20 buys per day per wallet. If you have 3, 4, or 5 wallets doing 20 buys per day, that's 100, could be 100 trades a day. That's crazy, and you're going to lose your balance in Solana very, very quickly. So not the best idea to copy trade a wallet that's doing 20 trades per day, or 20 buys per day. But again, you can look at these wallets that are doing these multiple buys, and you'll find that they're fluctuating between market caps. So the market cap entry might sometimes be 10 or 15,000, but sometimes it might be 50,000. So you can filter out a certain number of trades between or below 20,000, and you can take a wallet that is doing 20 trades per day and having a 50% win rate down to 10 trades per day and having a 75% win rate. So the best thing to do is to leave it open to get more buys per day than what you're willing to do, but then filter out those tokens that you don't really want to get involved with. So again, it's opening up those filters to get as many results as possible, so you can look at these trades manually, and you need to spend the time to do it, because honestly, the Vault isn't going to do it all for you. You need to manually check these wallets, each and every one of them that you're going to copy trade. And with each transaction, you need to check those transactions and see if they are going to be any good for you to copy trade. So the best thing is just open these filters up a little bit, get more wallets so you can have a look at those manually. And if there's a potential to filter out these particular multiple buys, snipes, etc., then it's the best way to do it. Sold more percentage is the same as well. I put that at 20%, and then there's a way that there may be potentially early on this wallet was getting a lot more tokens, like a month ago was getting a lot of airdrops from other wallets and was selling more than what they bought, but now just recently in the last 2 weeks haven't received anything in regards to airdrops or free tokens and whatnot. So always open up that filter as well to try and check out how things are panning out more recently, rather than just filtering them out altogether. So again, all of these can be opened up a little bit and can be managed, filtered, or can be managed in a way to make sure that you're checking some wallets manually to make sure that you're getting as many wallets as you can that can be copy traded. Of course, it's going to take a little bit of time, a little bit more time than just narrowing down that search right down to the button, but you're going to get a lot more results, and you're potentially going to get some really good wallets if you start filtering out some of the bad trades that they're doing. So that's just a little tip in terms of broadening your search results when it comes to copy trading. Now, TradeWiz has got some new options when it comes to their copy trading as well. We've got each token only buy once, and only copy sells, not buys. So let's jump over and have a look at TradeWiz. And so I've got a few wallets that I'm testing at the moment. So here we have all only copy sells, not buys, which is one of these features here. All only copy sells and not buys. Now, all only copy sells and not buys. Now, we used to have the feature of pause all, which we still have, but now you have the feature where you can pause the buys and just copy the sells. So if you still have a lot of open positions with these wallets, then you can pause the buys but not the sells. So your wallets will still sell their tokens and you'll still follow those sells, but you will not do any more buys. So that's a great feature to have when it comes to trying to pause your copy trading. You want to go to bed 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. You don't want to pause them all. You just want to pause the sells, pause the buys, and then copy the sells. So that's a great feature to have as well. And then we have each token buy only once, which is also down here. Each token buy only once. Each token buy only once. When you have as many wallets as I have right here, all paused at the moment, but you have potentially a lot of wallets buying the same token, so you can turn off the potential for multiple wallets to buy the same token. So only copy sells, sorry, each token only buy once. So the moment you buy a token from one wallet one time, then the next copy trading wallet that does buy that same token, it will not buy that for you. So that is also a great feature if you have a lot of wallets that you're copy trading at the same time. So, and then we have only copy sells, not buys. That's an individual setting within the actual copy trade settings itself. So if we scroll down bottom here, only copy sells, not buys. So if you want to turn off individual buys for individual wallets, you can do that. Over here, it's the pause all buys and copy sells, or copy sells. Over the individual wallet, you can do that individually as well. So that's a great thing to have. So those are great new features for TradeWiz that you may not have been aware of, but you may have been aware of. But you know, it's good to know and good to have, because it used to be just the pause all, where it's, well, do I really want to pause all? I'm not sure. Now you can just pause the buys and not the sells. So that's great as well. Now you saw with my wallets, I'm currently in the process of testing quite a few wallets, and it's important to take those tests and to compare those tests how they stack up with the wallet that you're copy trading. So I'm just putting together a little spreadsheet. This is just the beginnings of it anyway, of how to record and test the wallets that you're copy trading. So as part of the Alpha Yup strategy, it's really important to compare the results when you sell your token because your copy trader has sold their token. It's important to compare how much difference there is between profit from the trader. The loss differs by them, and if my profit and loss differs more than 20% compared to the wallet I'm copying, I drop it and find another. So we want to make sure our profit stays within that 20% range. It's important to check the differences between the wallet's trade profit percentages and your copy trade percentages. So I've created a little spreadsheet, just the beginnings of it anyway, where I put in the results from the wallet, and then I put in the results from my copy trading TradeWiz. So obviously the red is the negative, the losses. We don't really want to worry about losses so much. All we really want to worry about is how close the percentages are between the copy trade wallet or copied wallet and my TradeWiz results. This one here has done quite well, very, very close. A couple of occasions didn't quite work out, but a lot of trades there as well, probably a few too many trades for my liking, but the percentage wise was fairly close, except for 1 or 2 times, the occasional loss, but not too many losses there as well. So, and you can see wallet here, this wallet has gotten 38% profit here, TradeWiz got 30%, so that's right, it's getting close to that buffer. 43% win here for this wallet, and 43% win for the wallet here, 40% win for TradeWiz. So that one's done all right as well. And then we have this wallet down here, 100% 90, 53% 36, 61 6, not very good that one. 50 45, 80 66, 78 75. So some good results and some not great results as well. So this is basically a way of being able to lay out your trades, your copy trading results from the wallet, and then lay out the results from TradeWiz or whatever copy trading bot that you use to show what the differences were between each trade and to decide whether you want to start scaling up that wallet. So that is just a way that I've started testing. I'm going to keep building on that little Google sheet, try and make it something a little bit more dynamic. But yeah, it's very important to test the results, that's for sure. Now we also have another option. If you guys feel like you've drained your energy searching for the vault, the Degen wallet checker, now there is another option to do June. There is a June query that's been posted by one of our premium members. He's done a very fantastic job, great job posting this June query on hunting for profitable wallets on June. Now, of course, if you feel like you've done what you can with the Degen wallet checker and you want to try something with June, there is the query inside the premium channel that we have there for you guys to utilize as well. Created by Alex, one of our community members, and these kind of, and an FYI as well, these kind of queries will be available through the Degen wallet checker in the future. So keep that in mind as well. Let's have a jump over to June. And I'll just show you real quick. So here is the query at the top here. You can adjust this however you need to. There's many different values, very, very similar to the Degen wallet checker, where you can change win rate, ROI, sol balance, average loss, etc. You can change all these values to get different results. And once you run the query, you get the results here, and you'll get a certain number of wallets as well. And if you do have the right membership, you can download the CSV file as well for those results, which is fantastic. But just another option. This query, like I said, is in the premium channel with our premium members, so you'll need to jump over to the premium channel to get access to that from one of our community members there. So that is a fantastic option if you feel like you've exhausted Degen wallet checker route to finding profitable wallets. Now let's jump into the top 10 meme tokens and have a look at how the top 10 meme tokens are currently, they've been taking a beating, and because there are many multiples and volume running through memes than any other sector, they of course have taken the biggest hit. And as you saw earlier, the volume for meme tokens was much greater than anything else. And here we have the top 10 meme tokens. You can see everything is really crazy down. Doge down 22% 7 days, 24% for Pepe, 27% for official Trump, 25% for Bonk, 38% for Dog with Hat. So we are all down. There's only actually one, well, there's two. The AI prophecy is up, and Cheems. So, like everything else at the moment, all of crypto is not doing so well in the current environment. And it's not because of crypto itself, it's because the current status of politics and the market, everything is going crazy because of the current situation with Ukraine. American politics is looking like it's going to be a civil war almost. So things are not looking great. So you just got to hold on, go touch some grass, go learn some more things in regards to being in this sector, learning the trading types, and always be improving. This was what I always say. If you're not going to be trading or doing anything like copy trading or live trading, then do some learning in this space so that when things do pick up, then you're ready to go again. So that's what I always do anyway. Now we have some updates coming for the calls channel in the near future. So of course things have changed with the market, so we need to change things in regards to the calls. So for example, the premium gambles, which has currently a kind of a market cap of about 1.2 million for the calls to occur for premium gambles, which is a lot higher than what the current market is doing. So because of that, we're going to have to change some of the thresholds for these calls. Like premium gambles will come down, and we'll actually do multiple thresholds. So you might find premium gambles will come down to 250k, 500k, or 750. There might be multiple levels of thresholds that'll give you an indicator of what's a good time to get into a token. So therefore you can auto trade those calls on our scraper bot in the premium channel at different levels. So those will be changing in the very near future, and also the information consistent within the calls will be changing as well, considering we're doing some databasing of the Solana network as well. So moving forward, the content of the calls will change and probably include different or more information to help you make decisions in regards to whether you take calls or not. So keep an eye out for those changes happening very soon in regards to the calls. I imagine they won't be too far away as well. So new thresholds for premium gambles, we'll figure out where those thresholds will be, so keep an eye out for that. Now I thought I'd give you some interesting tidbits or red flags when it comes to trading or manually trading meme tokens. Now this is just a small slither of information. There's so much more to learn when it comes to trading meme tokens, but this is just going to give you a bit of information anyway. When it comes to red flags for bundle tokens, there are some things to look out for. The first red flag is when you look at the chart. So obviously one of the first things you want to do when you see a token that you might want to purchase, look at the chart, check the chart and see if it is a natural looking chart. Now if there is one big green candle like this one, 1 to 15 second time frame, then you know this was a bundled launch. So you can see here, that is definitely a bundled launch. Now it is becoming more common for tokens to graduate instantly these days, with many devs bundling. So you just got to make sure you keep an eye out for these bundle tokens, because they're just obviously big red flags, and they're going to dump at some point. So there's some money to be made before they dump, but you got to know that's going to happen. So keep an eye out for those kind of charts that are unnatural looking. And another way you can look at it is to also look at the pump fund page directly. So you take the contract, go to the pump fund page for this contract token, and have a look at the initial bundled buys from the transactions on the pump fund. And you can see something like this. You'll get buys all the way through and no sells. So generally, that will just mean it's a bundled token or bundled launch. So here is a more natural looking chart that you might find launching on pump fund. A lot more natural than your little green candle that's jumping up like that. So important to keep an eye out for those kind of charts that look natural. If you find a chart that's got those green candle, really big green candle that goes up to 10 million at the very beginning, then yeah, avoid those kind of tokens. Now bubble maps is another one. Bubble maps is a good tool, but doesn't always show you the full picture. Bubble maps will only show you the connected wallets if the original still has some supply left. So if not, then the connected wallet is broken, or the connection is broken. So what you'll find is some devs will launch these tokens and then spread their entire holdings across multiple wallets. And if the original wallet doesn't have any more tokens left, then the connection will be lost. So as you can see here, you can see these bubbles here are all the same size. So a key factor to look for is if all the bubbles are the same size, it means the bundled supply was spread out across multiple wallets and the original wallet is empty. So again, this is just another way of hiding a bundled launch. But if they're all the same size, then that's a red flag as well. So keep an eye out for that. Another way to check this is to look at the top holders in Degens. If there are many holders with the same amount, we can safely say this is one holder spreading out their holdings across multiple wallets, trying to make the top holders percentage look good. So you can see here, these are all just the same person who spread out their holdings across multiple wallets. So really it is just one person holding a higher percentage. So equally, if top holders is 15% or lower, this is also a red flag where one dev or one holder is potentially holding 15% across multiple wallets. Top holders generally between 20 and 25% is less likely to be the case. So that's an interesting one. You don't want top holders to be too low, because that gives you a red flag that it's one person spreading out across multiple wallets. And you don't want it to be too high, 30% or more. 35% is too high. But you want it to be in that nice sweet spot of 20 to 25%, where it's more of a natural top holders, and not just one person spreading out across multiple wallets. So again, another interesting way to find that. Another one is to check for potential red flags is to look at look at holders and snipers' unrealized profits. Now Dexes will show unrealized gains depending on the amount of tokens a trader bought compared to how many they've sold, but not if they transfer their holdings to other wallets. So you might have a sniper that's bought a large amount of percentage of tokens, but has actually just spread out their holdings across other wallets. Dexes will still show the unrealized gains despite having no tokens and spread it out across other wallets. So it's a good idea to check the top unrealized profits and check their supply. If their profits or unrealized profits is high with no supply, then you can be sure that's a red flag. Someone's bought a lot of tokens and then spread out across different wallets so they can hide their supply. If the holder has very little supply and still unrealized profit, then it's yet another red flag that something nefarious is going on. So just another way to check for those red flags. So we're coming to the meme of the week. The meme of the week. How is everyone going anyway before we get into the meme of the week? Got people putting up their hands for the airdrop. We've got people putting up their hands to get the free access to premium channel for 7 days. And we've got someone here Let's just have a quick look at this. This one here, Mr. Canal Click, Christoph, who's put his profit and loss cards into the brag about your P&L here. I'll give you 1 week access to the premium channel, my friend. So let me just reply. Congratulations on your efforts from the profit and loss. And we need one person over here, AB. Congrats, you get premium access for 1 week. I will handle it after the live streams, so stay tuned for that. Now we have a premium channel. People are putting up their hands for the airdrop. Airdrop's coming very soon, so stick around. We're just going to go through sorry, excuse me. Meme of the week, Apu token. Now I'm going to do these meme of the weeks now because a few reasons. The market is obviously down. People obviously wanting to take a break from gambling from the pump fund tokens. If that's fine, you guys want to do that, totally up to you. But there are definitely some meme tokens that have launched over the last 12 months that are well worth looking into and well worth investigating, researching. So I'm just going to highlight those every week, and you can do the research yourselves. The link is in the description of the video. Now, I'm not getting paid to promote these. I'm just hunting for these myself. You can do your own research. Totally up to you if you want to get involved, not financial advice, of course. Now, this one is a really interesting one. Apu token, everyone needs a friend. Apu is a community-driven meme revolution made by friends for friends. Very, very interesting token, this one. Launched in kind of March last year, so it's before the actual frenzy of pump fund. But very, very nicely done meme token, very, very well handled. Massive community, already on many exchanges, and very well handled, very well put together, and very well driven by the community. So a couple of tidbits about Apu token, originating from the Finnish internet character Apustaja, also known as Helper, embodies the spirit of community and friendship. Built on the Ethereum blockchain launching March 2024. It is based on the Helper meme, a well-known internet character that symbolizes friendship and support. Unlike many low-effort meme coins, Apu prioritizes community engagement, transparency, and long-term sustainability. Key features: zero tax tokenomics, strong community focus, deflationary model, decentralized and secure, strategic roadmap. Now, the Apu aims to be more than just another meme token by fostering a strong, engaged, and decentralized community. It prioritizes transparency, fairness, and organic growth, creating a token that stands out in the crowded meme token space. Apu envisions becoming the most trusted and widely recognized meme token, bridging the gap between internet culture and cryptocurrency. With a zero tax policy, strategic roadmap, community-driven approach, Apu inspires to achieve mainstream adoption and long-term sustainability. So I think it's doing pretty well. The actual price of the token got up to 500 million, and it's now currently down to, it's just now down to 45 million. So initial supply, 420 billion tokens, circulating supply, 337 billion. 82 billion tokens have been burned. Buy and sell tax zero to support liquidity. Market capitalization, 45 million. So, number 672 on the market cap rank. Roadmap, most of this has already been achieved. World takeover, global market dominance, aiming for a market capitalization of 1 billion. Almost got there, 500 million. Now let's see, maybe they can take off again in the near future when the market comes back online. Currently at 50 million, so quite a nice dip, I would say. There's some great features for their community. Some great community features that they've put together where you can get involved, posting memes, etc. It's very, very well done and very, very hands-on. Done a lot of partnerships as well, advertising through many places. That's been very well received. Coming up on 12 months in terms of launch time, so I think it's almost 12 months actually. So they thrive on a strong community involvement, making it more than just a meme token. Social media memes, active presence on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, where users create and share memes to drive organic growth. So that's part of their process of people creating these meme galleries, these meme generators. Fantastic stuff. Holders play a key role in promoting APU through viral campaigns, contests, and meme challenges. Future initiatives may involve community voting on key decisions, reinforcing decentralization, engaging with influencers, NFT projects, and other crypto communities to expand APU's reach. Real-world use cases, plans for merchandise, NFTs, and integrations that further strengthen community involvement and long-term adoption. So the future prospects, as you can see, they're already well and truly in quite a lot of exchanges, and you can see at quite an interesting dip right now. As you can see, even in this early part before the meme tokens took off in November, it was down again in September at that 50 million mark, but then jumped back up to 500 million. So you never know, the market might pick up again and things might take off again. So very, very interesting project. APU token, well put together. I like finding these kind of projects because it's a nice change from your pump and dump, pump fund tokens where it's a totally different aspect where you're trying to make profits from quick turnarounds, whereas this is more of a mid-range, long-term hold, potentially a good token. I'm going to keep trying to highlight some of these tokens every week, so I hope you guys like that. Again, I'm not promoting these, not pumping these tokens. This is just for you guys if you want to get involved in something a little bit different. So totally up to you. Now it's time to spin that wheel. Who have we got participating tonight in the spin the wheel? I really apologize for my voice. I've been trying so hard to get over this flu, whatever it is. Let's see who we have. The usual suspects, is it? Spin that wheel. Now we have two winners tonight. So 0.25 each. So we have Erica, X3, Raf. Oh, Raf's in there. All right, Raf. All right. Blagoy, Turt, and Klimka. Oh, this should be interesting. 2 by 0.25. Who are going to win tonight? X3, XTO, 0.25 to you, my friend. Well done. I'm going to remove you. I'm going to spin one more time for another 0.25. Random airdrop. And Mr. Turt, 0.25 for you. I will get in touch with you guys at the end of the stream so I can send off that airdrop. Thanks for joining the live stream. And now we're going to jump over and we're going to do the profit and loss cards for the last 2 weeks. We need 2 winners. We need the ROI winner, and we also need the profit winner. So let's jump over to the channel and let's get the P&L card winners for the last 2 weeks. Now, it's been a bit quiet, but that's just the nature of the game because the market is down a little bit. So not as many people trading, but still, we still have the same amount of Solana being handed out. So we have Alex, 0.25 for Alex. Oh, sorry, Alex, 1,488% That's a big win, so let's see if anyone can beat that. So that will be the ROI winner, if we can't beat that. 152%. A lot of great small wins. Just going to quickly run through these. Nice, Alex, you had a good run last week. 459% for crypto's journey. 660, 570. Turt doing pretty well. Alpha, of course, Alpha doing the usual, printing as per usual. Oh, Alex, 2,300. Well, Alex, you've won the 0.5 for the ROI for sure. I don't see anyone beating that. We'll go down to the 1st of March, and that'll be enough for that. Excuse me. Okay, now we're looking for the biggest profits. So let's have a look. 56, 120, 118, 117, 124. So you can't win them both, Alex. So we need someone else to win the profit. $93 for Turt. I can't see the profit and the money, that one, so that's unfortunate. Look, I might give it to Crypto Sturny anyway because he's done really well for those gains there. But let's have a quick look anyway. 13, 111 for Turt. $115 for Turt. All right, that about settles it. 122. Yes. So Alex, you win first place. Turt, you win second place. 0.5 to Alex, 0.25 to Turt. I'll get you guys sorted out as soon as we're done with the live stream. So you guys, really appreciate you guys for joining me. I apologize if the stream is a little bit less clear because I'm on a smaller bandwidth at the moment. So hopefully that's going to be okay. Thanks for joining me, guys. Appreciate you guys. I apologize again for my husky voice and my fluey sound, but hopefully next week will be a lot better and a lot clearer. So excuse me. All right, Degens, make sure you keep trading. Make sure you keep posting those profit cards. Competition will continue next week. Thanks to Alpha, we still have some more random airdrops to give away. 0.5 for those joining the live streams every week. For those who won the 7-day access, I'll get to you guys in a minute after the live stream finishes. So again, thanks for joining me. Stay safe out there, guys. It's a crazy market at the moment. If you want to take a break, understood. Keep learning, keep getting better. Make sure that by the time the market pumps again, that you're still in a good place to continue trading, whether it's manual trading, copy trading, whichever way you want to take it. All right, Degens, talk to you soon. Have yourselves a fantastic week. Bye for now. Cheers. See ya.